Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. You are looking at one of my family most favorite fish, wild barramundi here. This is part of the fish head, and this is actually the fish cutlet. This is taken out from probably about 5 kg wild barramundi. Yeah. So after you deep fry, the skin will be like keropok, crispy like keropok, very crispy. My daughter love it. This is the fish where I managed to use it to entice my daughter to start eating fish. Before this, she doesn't eat fish at all. So I'm going, after you wash it, sprinkle it with a little bit of fine salt, then you're going to put into the smoking hot oil for frying. Right, then make sure you bring up the temperature of a hot oil until smoking point like this. This is at least 180 degrees Celsius. Appa is a little bit too greedy today. Looking at the size and the shape, actually I should have fried the fish separately lah, because this part it will definitely stick together. This after about 2.5 minutes, we can slowly, carefully flip the fish over. And we will give the other side another around 2-3 minutes. So this is after another 2.5 minutes. Let me slowly flip it around. Oh, this part stick a little bit. Maybe the oil temperature wasn't very even just now. The fish head part very nicely fried. I think I'm happy with the fish head. Let me take it out and put it on top of an oil absorbing paper. This one let's give it some attention. So I give that side for about 1 minute, then I will take it out. I think after another 1 minute, let us see the other side again. Alright, getting there. I'll give this side one last 30 seconds, then I'll take it out. I always tend to over fry my fish a little bit. This is just personal preference, yeah? Right, done. Let me take it out. Put it on top of the oil absorbing paper as well. So here's my beautiful fried fish. Let me get some fried ginger and premium light soy sauce. Done. Right? So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Why do I have this kind of combination? Basically, Appa will be leaving for Japan tomorrow, and I'm clearing my fridge. Thank you very much. Bye bye.